further, next we will discuss 12th question, and the statement of the question is, if the sum of first 14 terms of an AP is 1050 and the first term is given, that is 10, then find the 20th term. Okay, so within this question we are given the sum of first 14 terms, that is S14 जो है that is equal to 1050, then the first term is 10, तो जो A है that is 10, और हमें यहाँ पर जो है 20th term of the series जो है वो find out करनी, that is A20 we have to find. So here we will apply the formula of Sn, that is n upon 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So यहाँ हमें sum of terms given है, that is we are having 14 terms, तो यहाँ हो जाएगा n 14, so it becomes S14. So number of terms would be 14 for this formula. So this is 14 upon 2 into a, that is 10, plus 14 minus 1 into d as it is, that is common difference. So sum of 14 terms we are given, that is 1050. So putting the value 1050 is equal to 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14. So this is 7. 2 tens are 20 plus 14 minus 1, that is 13d. So अभी 7 यहाँ पर क्या है, मल्टीप्लाई, दूसरी साइड शिफ्ट करेंगे तो क्या होगा, डिवाइड. This implies 1050 upon 7 is equal to 20 plus 13d. So cancelling at the table of 7, 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. Here I am left with 3. So 7 fives are 35 and then 0 as it is. So here we have 150 is equal to 20 plus 13d. अभी 20 यहाँ पे क्या है, प्लस, दूसरी साइड शिफ्ट करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, माइनस. तो 150 minus 30 is equal to 13d, and this implies 130 is equal to 13d. So this implies 130 upon 13 is equal to d. So cancelling at the table of 13, 13 ones are 13, 13 tens are 130. So here I have the common difference, that is 10. अभी यहाँ पे हमें common difference भी पता है and we know the value of a also. So we can easily find out the 20th term. So for 20th term I have A20 is equal to A plus 19d. So putting the value, A की value हमारे पास थी 10 plus 19 into 10, that is common difference. So this is 10 plus 190. So the 20th term is 200. Okay, so for the given arithmetic progression we have the 20th term, that is 200. Next we will discuss 14th question, and the statement of the question is, the first term of an AP is 5 and the last term is 45 and the sum is 400. Then we are supposed to find out the number of terms and the common difference. Okay, so यहाँ पर हम जो है फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे Sn is equal to n upon 2a plus n, because we are given the last term of the series, that is 45. So starting with the solution part of the question, given first term a is equal to 5 and the last term, it can be an or it can be denoted as l, that is 45, and the sum of these terms is 400. तो हमने यहाँ पर n की वैल्यू भी पता करनी है और कॉमन डिफरेंस भी. तो Sn का फॉर्मूला हम यहाँ पर यूज करेंगे n upon 2a plus l, that is equal to 400. अभी n की वैल्यू हमें फाइंड आउट करनी है, तो n is as it is upon 2, first term that is 5 and the last term is 45, that is equal to 400. अभी 2 यहाँ पर क्या है, डिवाइड, आप उसे दूसरी साइड शिफ्ट करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, मल्टीप्लाई. तो 45 plus 5, that is 50 is equal to 400 into 2. So here it becomes 0 cancel. Then 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, and 5 6 are 30. So here I have number of terms, that is 16 terms are there. तो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में हमने नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स फाइंड आउट करनी थी, आफ्टरवर्ड्स हमने पता करना था कॉमन डिफरेंस, ठीक है। तो कॉमन डिफरेंस के लिए या तो आप SN का दूसरा फॉर्मूला यूज कर सकते हैं, या अगर हमें कॉमन डिफरेंस फाइंड आउट करना है तो हियर यू कैन यूज द अदर फॉर्मूला विद कॉमन डिफरेंस, आइदर यू कैन यूज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ AN आल्सो। AN इज इक्वल टू A प्लस N माइनस 1 इंटू D। तो आप दोनों तरह से ही कॉमन डिफरेंस पता कर सकते हैं, या तो आप AN का फॉर्मूला यूज कर लीजिए, आइदर यू कैन यूज द फॉर्मूला फॉर सम ऑफ टर्म्स बट विद कॉमन डिफरेंस, ओके। तो यहाँ पर मैं AN का फॉर्मूला यूज कर रही हूँ, AN इज इक्वल टू A प्लस N माइनस 1 इंटू D। तो द लास्ट टर्म वाज 45, फर्स्ट टर्म थी 5, एंड नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स आर 16, so 16 minus 1 into common difference as it is. Here I have 45 minus 5 is equal to 16 minus 1 into D. So 45 minus 5, that is 40 is equal to 15D. Define next 15 यहाँ पर क्या है, multiply, दूसरी साइड शिफ्ट करोगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, divide. So that is equal to 40 upon 15, and that is D. So at the table of 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 8s are 40. So here we have common difference as 8 upon 3, and the number of terms within this sequence were 16.